Knowing Enlightenment. Begin less spiritual and material nature.
Beginless spiritual and material nature. People can believe that the spirit is eternal. They want to believe it, although they don't know how it's possible. They think of themselves as people who are bound to die and with innumerable limitations and disease. They worship a God who they think doesn't have all these limitations. But what people fail to believe is that just as spirit is beginless, the material nature is also beginless. And if it is beginless, it is also endless. People's notation to go towards the spirit and ignore the material nature is wrong, as both exist together. Of course, to know the spirit, one needs to go beyond the material nature. Knowing the spirit, one cannot ignore the material nature.